gone and the lights are on, and we are all set to witness some high-class cricket action. We have the match referee and both the captains in the centre. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Turned away for a single. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Excellent running between the wickets. Very good running between the wickets. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. He looks in good batting form. Squeeze a single there, good running. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Turned away for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Very good running between the wickets. Oh, he's thrown it wide. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. Good catch, but of a free hit though. Handsomely played, but straight to the fielder though. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. That ball deserved a boundary. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Nobody's chasing that. That's going to be a terrific 4. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Good shot for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Played into the gap, should be able to run 2 here. Spinner back. I think that's a good move. Excellent running between the wickets. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman's played all around that one. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. He didn't get any timing on that one. Overthrow, and batting team will get 4 bonus runs as well. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Good shot for a single. Pace bowler now into the attack. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Bang! That's powerfully struck by the batsman for a maximum. Dazzling batting by this duo. The captain needs to come up with a plan to break this partnership. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It is also good for batting. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a 6. That was a stunning shot. Last ball coming up. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, that's good. Not good if you're a batsman. That's going to be four, all right. Sweet timing. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. He's not going to miss out on those. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. It looks in good batting form. Great shot, middles it and penetrates the gap for four. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. He's not going to miss out on those. No, that's lovely timing. The ball racing to the boundary. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. That ball deserved a boundary. Magnificent striking from the batsman. Glorious, absolutely glorious. The bowler is looking furious. There's a short ball coming. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Poor running between the wickets. Really poor. Beauty from the bowler. Zips past the edge. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. Batsman losing his concentration there. he's clubbed that for a 6. That's a great hit. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. That ball deserved a boundary. The crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Up in the air. Good shot for a single. Well, it seems like the bowler prefers to bowl from this end. Turned away for a single. It'll be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Good shot for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a 6. These two gentlemen have played really well and have been finding the gaps at will. Important partnership this. Gorgeous shot. Found the middle of the bat there. Well bowled. That's a Jaffa. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. The close-in fielders should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Oh, that's hit him. Got into an awkward position there. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Turned away for a single. Found the gap beautifully and that races away to the boundary again. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. In the air. Came around quickly to cover the throw. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.